how you can create a muscular body video with Pixverse AI. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Pixverse AI on Google and click on the official website so you can go there and start fast. Now, once the site is open, make sure you are signed into your account, or if you don't have one, just create it because it only takes a minute. Then, after that, click on the Effect button at the bottom of the screen, and this will open the effects library for you to see many options. Once you are in the effects library, scroll or search until you find the muscle surge effect, because this is the one that gives your photo the muscular transformation. After that, upload your photo from your device by clicking the upload icon and choose the image you want to transform so it can work. Then, once your image is uploaded, just hit the Create button and give it a few seconds while Pixverse AI processes your photo. And now, Pixverse AI will process your photo and generate a realistic muscular body video so you can see the result. Then, to download the video, simply click the Download button at the bottom of the screen so it gets saved. And then the video will be saved automatically to your device's download folder so you can play it anytime. And that's it. That's how you can create a muscular body video with Pixverse AI.